Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this Dollar Tree ghost wreath. Keep watching if you want to learn how to make it. I know I usually have a picture of all the supplies I use for my projects, but this time I just went to my craft area and grabbed what I had on hand, but in the description box below, I'll have written down every item that you need for this project. What I'm doing here is I'm taking a 14-inch Dollar Tree wire wreath form and I'm going to make my own working form. You guys have probably seen these at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's and they already come put together. But when you have pipe cleaners on hand, you might as well just make your own. Plus it's way cheaper because this Dollar Tree wire form is only $1, of course, and pipe cleaners can be found at Dollar Tree as well for $1. So in this first section here, I am taking 2 pipe cleaners and putting them on the middle ring that's closest to the center, and then I'm putting 1 pipe cleaner on the middle ring that's closest to the outside. And for the next section, I'm going to put 1 pipe cleaner on the inside middle ring closest to the inside of the wreath, and then 2 pipe cleaners on the middle ring that's closest to the outside ring, and I'm just going to keep rotating the pattern. And there's no right or wrong way to do this. This is just the way I thought it would work best with this Dollar Tree mesh. So basically each section of this Dollar Tree wire wreath form, the wire wreath form has 6 sections. And in each section I'm putting 3 pipe cleaners. And you just put them where you see fit, but I kind of just made a pattern. So I would do 2 on top, 1 on the bottom, and then 1 on top, 2 on the bottom, vice versa. And just keep going around until I had 3 pipe cleaners in each section of my wire wreath form. And this is what it should look like once you have all your pipe cleaners attached to your wire wreath form. So now I'm just taking my Dollar Tree deco mesh. I'm taking a roll of black, a roll of purple, and a roll of orange. And I am going to kind of fold it up at the top, if that makes sense. Kind of like scrunch it up and fold it. And then I'm going to take one of the inside pipe cleaners and I'm going to wrap that around the deco mesh. So I'm just attaching it to one of the inside pipe cleaners that's closest to the inside of the wreath, and I'm just twisting it around a few times so it's nice and secure. This method here is called the poof method. I've seen This Southern Girl Can do it, Country Charm by Tracy, and I believe Keeping It Simple Crafts. You guys know those are like my 3 favorite crafters right now, and they are amazing, and I'll leave their channel links down below. But they all do similar methods. This is with the Dollar Tree deco mesh though, so most people when they do the poof method use like the 10-inch deco mesh that you can get online or Hobby Lobby or Michael's or even Walmart. But you know me, I'm just trying to use what's on hand and I use this Dollar Tree mesh to do this. So now I'm just going to the second pipe cleaner that's located on the inside ring and I am just wrapping it around my deco mesh. These poofs are probably about, I guess, a hand length underneath. That's how I kind of measured it, so about 5 inches. I'm just eyeballing it, but you can make these poofs as big or as little as you want. So now you're just going to go around the inside section of pipe cleaners and just wrap your deco mesh around all of the inside section. And I'm just going to speed up through this and then I'll come back and show you how to do the outside section. Okay, now I'm pretty much almost done with my inside section. So I'm taking the last bit of deco mesh on this inside section and attaching it to the very first pipe cleaner that I used to make this poof. And that's all you do. You just take it and just wrap it around the first pipe cleaner that you use, and then we're going to move on to the second row. Now that you have all your deco mesh attached to your first section of pipe cleaners, you're going to move to your second section of pipe cleaners and do the same method. So you're going to make a poof and attach it to the first pipe cleaner you see on the bottom row. And then you're going to do that until you get all the way around again. One thing I noticed that I did was I actually skipped 2 pipe cleaners in the first row I did. I didn't realize that I was distracted when I was making this, so I think I was like watching TV or something. I can't remember. You guys, I've been really into True Blood again. A little off subject, but you know, it's Halloween, so I was watching that. But anyways, I realized I skipped 2 of the pipe cleaners, which is no big deal. That's why I like this poof method, because if you make a mistake, you can't even tell, because there's no right or wrong way to add your pipe cleaners. So it's totally fixable. Just want to let you know that. And sometimes when you make a mistake, it just adds character, or at least I think so. And what's good about deco mesh, it's very forgiving, and it like if you make a mistake, you can easily cover it up. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you see an extra pipe cleaner or two in the center row. So now I'm at the end of the second row of deco mesh that I did. So I'm just attaching the last little bit of deco mesh to the very first pipe cleaner I used on the second row. And then you're just going to cut off the excess deco mesh and just tuck it under, and you won't even be able to see it. Now I'm just taking a roll of black deco mesh and I'm measuring it out to about 20 inches, and I am going to do little ruffles with this. So I'm just cutting it at 20 inches and I'm going to make 18 bundles, which I ended up not using all 18 because I did make that boo-boo I mentioned earlier where I missed a couple pipe cleaners. But if you use all your pipe cleaners, you're going to want to do 18 bundles, and I'll show you what I do with this in a minute. After I've cut my deco mesh, I'm going to show you the ribbon I'm using. I'm using a pumpkin ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This purple ribbon is actually from the Christmas section at Hobby Lobby. It's full price $9.99, but it's marked down because it's in Christmas. I'm using the purple glitter ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and then this Halloween ribbon that is really cute. It has like October 31st on it and like little ghosts, and that's from Dollar General, and that was $1. For each set of ribbon I have, I'm going to cut out 9 strips of each set of ribbon, and I am going to cut them at about 9 inches each. So I'll have 9 of the pumpkin, 9 of the purple with the polka dots, 9 of the skinny purple, and 9 of the little Halloween ghost ribbon as well. Here's an up-close picture of that ribbon from Dollar General. I think it's so cute. It looks like a little banner with little ghosts, and it says October 31st on it. And you guys can still get this at Dollar General, and it's only $1. And if you guys saw my last video, it was a Dollar General shop with me for Christmas. You guys, their ribbon is exciting me, and it's so good. It's like, I dare I say, I think I'm actually more excited for Dollar General ribbon than the Dollar Tree ribbon for Christmas. I'll link that video down below for you guys. But anyways, this Halloween ribbon that I'm cutting right now is from Dollar General, and you should still be able to get it. Okay, so now I'm going to make my little ruffles. Like I said before, this Southern Girl can, keeping it simple crafts, and Country Charm by Tracy, I think I'll do this kind of method too. I mean, honestly, you guys, again, check them out. They're amazing. But what you're going to do is you're going to pinch at the bottom and just walk your fingers up, kind of like you're just walking on top of the deco mesh, and that's all you do. I did this same method for my witch's hat wreath. If you guys saw that a while back, it's the same type of thing. So you're just going to take your fingers, pinch the bottom, and walk your fingers up. And then I'm going to take a strip of the orange pumpkin ribbon and then a strip of that skinny purple glitter ribbon. I'm going to pinch that in the middle, and then I'm going to take a pipe cleaner that I've cut in half and just wrap that around the middle and secure it tightly in the back. So I'm just going to twist it a couple times so that it's nice and secure. And for your next bundle, we're still going to do the ruffle method. So you're just going to pinch it at the bottom and then just walk your fingers up through the deco mesh, just kind of like you're walking on top of the deco mesh. Now I'm just going to take the purple ribbon with the polka dots, and then I'm going to take that Dollar General Ghost banner ribbon and stick that on top, and I'm going to pinch it in the middle and take a pipe cleaner and wrap it around the middle and twist a few times, just like I did for the first bundle I made. Wreath was getting me all excited about Halloween, and I am so excited to start watching Hocus Pocus. That is my favorite Halloween movie. Comment down below what your favorite Halloween movie is. Like I said, mine is Hocus Pocus. I watch that every year and I love it. So this is what your 2 bundles are going to look like. They'll look a little bit better once you fluff out all the black. You're going to want to make 9 with the pumpkin ribbon and 9 with the purple ribbon if you're doing what I'm doing. But honestly, you can make as many or as little of these bundles as you want. I like to make that many just so it will fill up my wreath in the little sparse parts that you can see, because you can see a little bit of the metal wreath form. Again, I made 9 with the pumpkin ribbon and 9 with the purple polka dot ribbon. Now I'm just taking one of my bundles and I'm going to add it to my wreath form. What you are going to want to do is take some scissors or wire cutters and trim the extra pipe cleaner off of your bundle just to make it easier to attach. So you're just going to go into one of your little sections that has the pipe cleaner sticking up, and you're going to attach a bundle and then wrap the pipe cleaner around it. And I just did a pattern with a pumpkin bundle and then a purple polka dot bundle and then a pumpkin bundle and then a purple polka dot bundle. on all of my pipe cleaners that are sticking out. And here's what it looks like after I've added about 3 bundles, just to give you an idea. And like I said, I'm just going to add the bundles to all the pipe cleaners that I used to add my little poofs. This cute little ghost sign with the boo wording on it I got from the Dollar Tree. I just really loved it. I thought it was so cute and it would make a really cute wreath. So now I am just adding some pipe cleaners to the back. I'm just going to take some hot glue and I'm going to glue down about 4 pipe cleaners to the back of this boo sign just so I can hang it up on my wreath. While the hot glue is drying, I'm just going to show you what the wreath looks like after you've added all your bundles, and this is what you should have so far. Now that the glue is dry on my ghost sign, I'm just going to play around with it and figure out where I want to place it. This is all personal preference. You could do it on the side, you could do it on the middle like I did, you could do it kind of crooked. It's all up to you, but you're just going to move your deco mesh around and wrap the pipe cleaners around the frame, kind of like you do with the bundles as well. So you're just going to poke the pipe cleaners through until you find a good spot on your metal wreath frame, and then you're just going to twist it around a couple times in the back until it's nice and secure. Here's the back side of the wreath just so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just taking those pipe cleaners that I glued down to the sign and I'm just wrapping them around the metal frame just to make sure that they're nice and secure onto the wreath so that the ghost sign doesn't fall down. I ended up adding 1 extra pipe cleaner to the top of the ghost sign. There's a little tiny hole that's already pre-made into the sign. So I just took a black pipe cleaner, pushed it through the hole, and I just secured that to the wire wreath frame just to add some more security to the wreath. Just felt like the ghost was a little bit heavy and I didn't want it to fall off. So that's why I added the extra pipe cleaner to the top. Now it's time to add the lights. I'm not even going to lie, I struggled a little bit with this because I've never added lights to a wreath. I purchased these from Publix. They were about $1.99. The Dollar Tree does have ghost lights as well, but my Dollar Tree only had the ghost necklace that lights up, and it was like a one-time use thing. You couldn't add batteries. So I wanted lights that I could add batteries to so you can use this every year. So I got these at Publix, like I said, for $1.99, but I think the Dollar Tree actually does have lights that you can add batteries to, but I just didn't have any at my Dollar Tree. After struggling for what seemed like a good 5 or 10 minutes to figure out how to add these lights on, I just decided to put some batteries in and turn them on so I could see better because I'm doing this at nighttime. And I decided that the best way to add these lights in were actually to start from the back and kind of just pushing them through the metal frame, and that seemed to work the best. I didn't take into consideration when I bought the lights the size of the ghost sign, so if you actually have a sign that's a little bit smaller, it should be a lot easier to work with using these lights. So all I did was I just kind of used the back side of the wreath and kind of pushed the lights through, and then I added some black pipe cleaners that I cut in half and just secure the lights that way, and I found that this worked the best. And then once I was done with that, I just hot glued the battery pack onto the back. And just make sure you hot glue it to where you can take the batteries out on the top. So if you hot glue it the other way, you won't be able to get your batteries out. So just make sure you pay attention to when you hot glue your battery pack. And that's basically what I did to add the lights. You do need a little bit of patience with this, I'm not gonna lie, but once you get it figured out, it's gonna look great. It might be kind of hard to see here, but you can see a little black pipe cleaners sticking out here and there, and I just took those. They're pipe cleaners that I've cut in half, and then I've just twisted them around the wire wreath frame and the light just to hold the light in nice and securely, and then the lights just poke through the other side. And like I said, I found that this worked the best. And once you're done with all that, you're just going to glue your battery pack to the back and then trim all of the pipe cleaners that are poking through the wire frame just so it doesn't scratch your door. And once your lights are attached, you're just going to take your pipe cleaners and either fold them under to the back side or just trim them so you won't see them. And this is what the light up wreath looks like at nighttime. The lights were pain, but after seeing the finished product, I'm really digging this and I love how it turned out. And I love that the lights are little ghost shaped, so it goes perfectly with my little ghost boo sign. And the ruffle method really hid some of the imperfections that I had, and I think it's just perfect, and it screams Halloween to me, and I just love how cute this little guy looks. I just recently passed 300 subscribers, and I'm so excited. I just want to say hi and welcome to all my new and old subscribers. Comment down below and let me know who you are and where you're from. I'd love to get to know you guys and what kind of crafts you like to make, or if you're a crafter, I'd just love to get to know you. Also, if you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed, consider hitting that red subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. And if you enjoy these type of videos, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to know when I upload new videos, just hit that bell notification and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween boo wreath, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys!